What's up, guys? It's Grant from FK8 Motorsports, and today I'm finally going to do my Type R front conversion on the SI. It's finally warm out. I'm all excited. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so let's get this going. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is jack up the car, have it on both sides. You're going to want to remove these two bolts on either side, so let me get those out. Alright, once you take out the two screws on either side, you're going to want to take out all the plastic clips. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11.
12, 13. Oh,
already.
yeah. There's 11 clips you take out. Alright, so under here, you're going to want to take out more of these clips. You're going to take out two screws. Where the heck's he going? So you'll take out two of these as well. Alright, hopefully I don't miss any steps, but we got the bumper off, kind of just on a roll. The hardest part is getting this little clip. You have to stick a screwdriver under and hit the top of it, underneath of that, to hit here on the clip. But I took my SI grill out because I don't want to put the Type R one in. So we're going to get the other bumper out and compare the two. Alright, don't make the same mistake I did. I had these in already, but you got to take them out to put the fog lights in, so ruins some of the clips on accident. But anyways, get those out, put your fog lights in. You will have to drill the holes for them. They are marked. You just have to drill them. So let's put these back in. They just snap in. So does this in the bottom of the slip. It all just snaps in. So once you get that all snapped in, we're going to put the grill on and then put it back on. I think that's the part that's how we go. I think we are done with the Type R. Oh! How's it looking? Not bad, painted by myself. So, there it is. Looks pretty good. As you can see, it's actually very nice. And then I just put everything back, I guess, in reverse. Just need to finish up by putting the two bolts in. We're done.
Before and after?
No. Now, just saying, I painted these black, but if you have a cold air intake, I would suggest getting a pre-filter on it, as it is right there. Hold on. There you go. There's my cold air intake. So I would suggest getting, if you're getting this, don't have a cold air intake. But I mean, it's up to you. I'm gonna risk it, so we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this install, and if you have any questions, please comment down below and like and subscribe. I am Grant from FK8 Motorsports. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.